Welcome to day 2 of the Flow into Balance challenge. Yesterday we learned how to root, how to stand with calm strength so the breath can deepen and the mind can settle. Today we build on that foundation. In Tai Chi and Qigong, the spine is more than structure, it's the body's central pathway. When it stiffens, breathing becomes shallow, the nerves lose their freedom and the whole body starts to feel tight and heavy. But when the spine moves with ease, posture improves, the muscles soften and the mind becomes clearer and more relaxed. So in this session, we're going to gently unlock your spine, wave by wave, segment by segment, to restore mobility, nourish your nervous system and bring lightness back into your whole body. So take a deep breath, feel your feet grounding into the earth, and together, let's bring fluidity back to the center of your body. Let's begin with a short recap of day 1. If you want to go deeper, you can start with a full day 1 session by clicking the link at the top of this video. Stand tall and grounded. Hands rest in front of the lower belly, your dantian, the body center. Let the breath sink into the abdomen. Inhale to gather energy. Exhale to release tension. Find a calm, natural rhythm. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system and brings your awareness back to your center. Stay here for a few breaths. You can pause the video or revisit day 1 through the link on screen if you want to go deeper. Now bring your awareness to your hands and feet, the 4 gates of the body. As you inhale, feel the breath expanding from your center outward. As you exhale, sense a gentle warmth flowing into the hands and feet. Keep the breath soft and natural, allowing your circulation to open, your energy to flow more freely, and your nervous system to settle into calm. We continue by shaking the body. Keep everything loose and relaxed. Shake the legs, the hips, the spine and the shoulders. Let your breath move naturally as the whole body softens. Imagine stress falling away with every shake, like dust drifting off your skin. This exercise is wonderful for releasing fascia tension along your spine, reducing anxiety and re-energizing the entire body. If you want a deeper breakdown of these techniques, you can change my previous video for more detailed instruction. This was the recap from day 1 of our 7-day challenge. Now, to finish the exercise, slowly open the arms and let them settle back down, guiding your awareness back to your center. Now we continue opening the spine with gentle body rotations. Place your feet about twice hip width apart. Turn to the left, lifting your right heel so the hips can rotate freely. Allow the rotation to travel up through the spine, the ribs and the shoulders. Let one hand tap the belly and the other tap the lower back. Then repeat to the other side, smooth and relaxed. Let the hips lead the movement as your arms swing naturally. No force, just natural momentum. This exercise massages the organs, improves spinal mobility and warms the lumbar area while nourishing the kidneys. Keep it slow, comfortable and loose. And if you want more time here, feel free to pause the video and continue. Lift the arms softly to finish the exercise, allowing your awareness to return to your center. We continue with the next exercise, Dragon Back. Place your feet about twice hip width apart. Place your hands on the kidneys. Send the hips back and lean forward with a long straight spine. From here we begin the wave. Bend the knees gently, then let the pelvis glide forward, tilting the hips and allowing the spine to roll up from the bottom to the top. Then come back down by hanging forward from the hips and repeat the wave. Start small, stay comfortable, and if you feel any pain, stop and consult a health professional. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you fold forward. The lumbar spine first, then the mid-spine, the chest opens and finally the head rises last. Soft, smooth and controlled. Now we bring the arms into the wave to deepen the flow. As you fold forward, let the arms float and circle forward, palms gently turning upward. When the wave begins from the hips, let the arms curl back with you, palms still open. Then circle them forward again, like a dragon sweeping its tail through the air. As you rise, sweep the arms back toward the ears, opening the chest and lengthening the entire front of the body. Now, follow my movement and let your whole body move as one continuous wave. This movement hydrates the spinal discs, improves posture, strengthens the glutes to protect your lower back and reconnects your mind, breath and spine into one fluid system. You're doing great. Let's do a few more. Keep on flowing. Now let's finish the exercise, coming back to your center. We continue with the next one. Step your feet out about twice hip width apart. Place your hands on your hips. Then we begin by turning to the left. Lift your right heel so the hips can rotate freely. Let the twist rise from the base of the spine, through the ribs into the shoulders and finally the neck, gently turning to gaze over your left shoulder. Now extend the right arm diagonally upward, palm open, and let the left arm stretch back behind you, palm facing out. Feel the whole spine spiraling and lengthening. Slowly return to the center, now to the other side. Turn to the right, lift your left heel, rotate through the hips, then the spine, then the shoulders. Extend the arms gently, keeping the shoulders relaxed and look toward your right hand. Come back to center, forming a soft ball in front of your chest and repeat. This exercise improves rotational mobility through the spine, opens the ribcage for deeper breathing, stimulates digestion and helps the body feel coordinated and fluid. So keep following my movements, stay relaxed, and with each repetition your body will learn to spiral with more ease and freedom. Let's do a few more. Keep flowing. You're doing great. Let's finish the exercise. Bring your feet together, hands rest again in front of the lower belly. Feel your breath settling. Feel the energy sinking down the spine, gathering in your lower dantian. Notice your body now, more open, more fluid and more connected. Stay here for a moment. Now, let's finish the exercise. Well done! Beautiful practice today. You didn't just move your spine, you freed it. You created space when there was tightness, breath where there was pressure, and clarity where there was tension. Feel into your body now. Notice what has changed. Tomorrow, in day 3, we continue opening the upper body, shoulders, chest and breath, so your whole system can expand even more. So if this practice resonated with you, share your experience in the comments. And if you want to stay on this journey with me, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Thank you for showing up. See you in day 3.